Hello friends, we're at Holy Scrap Hot Springs in New Mexico. Today we're making a big change in our kitchen from our upright refrigerator, 2,000 watts a day of power off our solar system, but the benefit of drawers and shelves and all those nice things. And we're going to give that up and we're going to switch to this little freezer that is only about 100 watts a day. Huge difference. So it's about a 20 times savings in power, which means we can run the air conditioner or do any number of things with the power we get back. So this is a freezer, a chest freezer. We're going to convert it to a refrigerator, and we're going to convert it using Mikey's widget of late, which is the fridge controller. He just finished it. He's very excited. So am I. So here we go. We're going to make the change today. It's been a really long day. We had a lot of crap to move, but we did it. So here's our little chest freezer. And in cubic feet, we went to less than half of what we had before. So it's been a big adjustment. Anyway, here's what we got. So now I open the door, but our energy's not lost. The cold air stays low. That's one of the reasons this is so efficient. And we had to create like little systems for our food. So it's going to be a pain in the ass. There's no question, but we're going to get used to it because that's the way things are, you know? So anyway, there it is. Blah, blah, blah. Everything's in. And we got our little temperature control here, Mikey's widget. So he put this one in a little case. We threw it on a hair tie and threw it on a hook, and there's our temp, 31, 32, 31, 32. So, ta-da! And I want to show you what we did with the old fridge, because we thought we were going to throw it away, and then we came up with a great idea, and I'm so happy about it. So let's take a look. So this is our utility room, and we've had plans to build shelves in here for a long time, mostly for storage of food. So as homesteaders, you know, you have a lot of crap to hang on to. So anyway, we took the fridge, we moved it in here. Our fridge barely works, but who cares? We're not using it anymore as a fridge. So this is not plugged in, and now this is our dry storage. So we have all our flowers and grain. We have all our tincture making stuff, all our herbs, so we can replenish. It's fantastic. So, ta-da! Who needs to build shelves when you have a dead refrigerator? Okay, it's been a good day.